Hello, so I just wanted to give a quick update on my radiant form model rendering in Unity. First of all, you can see that the colors look correct now. It was just a simple error in the calculations. Now, yeah, it's correct. Currently, you have these vocal harmonics set to 0, no 1, 2, and 3. So this is the max level. And you see that it has taken some time to update. That's because it completely reloads the model when I increase the spherical harmonics. But it also takes some time because it even does some things more. I've implemented Morton reordering of the points, which was inspired by Era's blog posts on Gaussian Splatting. I see at least some improvement on the performance. So currently Morton reordering is enabled, and not sure, we have like 44 FPS right now. If we reload without, we get around 33, so that's like 10 FPS improvement, which is pretty nice. But it's a little bit view dependent how much improvement you really see. And some views work better than others. But yeah, for this small change, it's pretty cool to see how much improvement it makes. Here also another model. And of course we can switch back to the spherical camera with the distortion around the edges. Yeah, models look a lot better now with the proper colors. And this one gets a bit messy for the non-trained points of view, but also looks quite cool. And here again, you can see quite nicely the spherical harmonics in action. If you decrease them, the shininess of the table is reduced a lot. And if we push it back up, yeah, it gets more reflective again. And currently, yeah, this is also with Morton ordering enabled. And yeah, switching back to the proper camera. If you just look at this, it looks almost like a photo. Pretty cool. And I think I have one more model, yes. And these are just the pre-trained model dataset from the authors of the paper. I have also one thing, I've tried to run this viewer in WebGL, which does actually work, kind of. Needs some hacks and tricks to, because WebGL doesn't support compute shader, this had to be rewritten as a normal surface shader, vertex shader. And it's just a graphic split from one texture to the other. And all of the radiant form model is stored in like 4 textures, where each pixel contains the data for one Moroni cell. Yeah, and it does in theory work. Performance is not great, as you can probably tell. And WebGL keeps, not WebGL, the browser keeps running out of memory while processing the model and loading the model. So if I try to upload it anywhere, like itch or host it on a GitHub page, it won't accept the WebGL file because it's too large. Not WebGL, but the WASM file. Yeah, not sure how practically this really is, but it was quite cool to see that it does work in the browser. But that's basically all I have done. Thank you for watching. Maybe you found this interesting. Bye.